Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into Avsar employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you want and on the search URL, type in Avsar employee login. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now from the search results, click on this link that says Avsar HR Services. Click on that. That will directly take you to your login page. Now on your right hand side of this interface, first of all you have to enter your email or phone number associated with your account. So make sure that you enter your valid email or phone number. And once you're done with that, under that you can type in your correct password. If you want to reset your password, click on this reset button in case you forgot your password, and that will help you out to recover. Now once you're done typing in your email or phone number and password, click on this button that says secure login, and after that you will be logged into your employee account. And that's how you can log into Avsar employee account. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.